A tunnel boring machine with smart and green features is under production in Zhengzhou, capital of central China's Henan province. The massive machine, weighing 2,300 tons and measuring 138 meters in length, is made by China Railway Engineering Equipment Group Company Limited. It is expected to be transported to Italy in August. This tunnel boring machine is also equipped with continuous tunneling technology and rapid mode change technology, which greatly improves the tunneling efficiency and energy-saving efficiency. The boring machine also uses energy-saving and dust removal technology to minimize the environmental impact of dust and noise emissions.
因为我们践行了绿色制造理念，为客户提供了更多更好的产品，也得到了世界客户的更多的支持。大型装备的高端化、智能化、绿色化是未来发展的方向，我们会在这条路上坚定不移地走下去。